Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. There is another SAT math type of a question from the topic of functions. Let's solve it together. If the function h is defined by h5x is equals to 3x plus 2 for all values of x, what is the value of h of 10? A is 4, B is 5, and C is 6, and D is given as 8. In this specific question, this is a different type of function questions. So for this kind of questions, you are technically, let me show you. I'm going to rewrite this to show it to you. The given function. The given function is h of 5x is equals to 3x plus 2. And you're supposed to find h10, right? You've been asked to find the value of h10. So if you can just pay attention, inside of the parentheses, these are corresponding each other. So 5x is equals to 10. Instead of 5x, they gave us 10. So we can find the value of x by solving the simple equation. By dividing 5 both sides, you will get the value of x as 2. Is this our final answer? No. This is not the final answer. To find the final answer, I'm going to show you in different colors, substituting. So in this case, and 5 times 2 for the x, and wherever we see x, we're going to put 2. So this 2 is for the x, plus 2. This plus 2 comes from the original equation. So, and the inside of the function becomes h of 10 is equals to 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. That gives you 8. So our final answer for this specific question is choice D. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.